one deal with grief and life stresses. We just take things one day at a time, one foot forward, and enjoy the beautiful, scenic moments that we all get to enjoy during this day. There's my puppy enjoying the water. On this beautiful few moments that we're not getting rain. Enjoy this beautiful view, everybody. Hope everybody's having a great day. Enjoy your weekend. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more inspirational scenic and chicken videos. Bye for now.